Hey, what is going on everyone? This is iReviews back with another video, and today we're talking about an amazing feature that can be found on the iPhone 11 and the 11 Pro. So basically on the newer iPhone models, and you can actually find this on the XS, XS Max and the XR as well. So this is like really an amazing camera feature that you probably don't know about, and even if you know about it, you have heard about it, you probably even forgot that that feature exists on the newer iPhones. So the iPhone XS, XS Max, XR, 11, 11 Pro and 11 Pro Max. So here's what I'm talking about. Of course, the newer iPhones, especially the iPhone 11 and the 11 Pro, have like amazing cameras. But did you know that with the newer devices, as I said, from the iPhone XS and up, you can shoot videos with basically two cameras at a time. So you can have two different cameras recording at the same time. But unfortunately, Apple hasn't added that feature on the stock camera app of the iPhone. That's why you might not know that this feature exists, and you can actually do that on the newer iPhone, so the XS and up. But what you can do now is go to the App Store and download this free app called Double Take. Now this is an amazing app that will allow you to do just that. So record videos with two different lenses at the same time. So totally we will have 4 different lenses here on the 11 Pro. So if we go right here on the corner here, the left bottom part, just tap right there and it will show you all the different lenses. So we have the wide one, this is basically like the stock lens, then we have the ultra wide one, and we have the tele-lens as well, and the selfie here. So you will have A and B, so you can choose which one will be lens A, which one will be lens B, and then you will shoot with both of them at the same time. Now up here you can choose the video mode, so you can just choose to shoot 2 separate videos, so it will like create at the same time 2 files each from each camera, or you can tap right there and you can choose picture in picture. So the B will be the one that will be smaller, the A will be one that will be like the full screen. Now if you tap once more, you can also choose split screen, which means that it will shoot a video with like a splitted screen, one lens on the half, one other on the other half. So let's just choose here picture in picture, which is the one that I prefer. Right here you can choose the frame per second, so you can go 24, 25 and 30 as well, and click confirm. And as you can see right now, you can go ahead, tap right here, and you can record videos with 2 different lenses at the same time. Now this might be useful if you like to record like vlogs or something and you want to have the small one here at the selfie camera. That would be really awesome, so you can have like 2 different videos combined into one using this free app, of course, and this feature that only the newer iPhones have. Now once you're done, you can tap right there to stop, tap on the top left corner right there, and here we'll find all your files. Now, of course, you can go ahead and play the file right here, and you can also go ahead and save that. So just tap that button or just tap and hold here. I don't know how you select this. Okay, so tap right there, it will select that, tap the share button, and you can go ahead and save this video under the camera roll of your device, and you're good to go. Now you will have this video basically combined from 2 lenses, which is really amazing. And of course, you will have the opportunity to utilize this new feature that the newer iPhones have that you probably didn't even know that it existed. So that's basically it for this video, guys. If you're interested on this app, you can download it for free. Now, as of recording this video, the app is totally free, no in-app purchases, no paid price. You can go ahead and totally download it for free. I will leave it linked, of course, in the pinned comment. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more. I'll see you guys on the next one.